We've all enjoyed a Morelli's ice cream, but do you know how yours is made? Since we make everything from scratch, it all starts with the highest quality raw ingredients. This is Davy. Every morning he takes delivery of the ingredients that make your Morelli's ice cream. Davy's been with Morelli's for 20 years, and as well as being an ice cream aficionado, he's a big Man City fan. But it's his experience as a bouncer that makes him perfect for supervising the job of the boil. This is our production manager, Eddie. He joined us 10 years ago as a relief driver and we didn't let him leave. As well as working for us, Eddie's the very proud holder of an MBE for his charity work. But he doesn't like people to know. He's also an assistant clerk of the course at the Ulster Grand Prix. Oh, and he was once knocked out cold by a tub of raspberry ripple, which coincidentally is his favourite flavour. Once all the ingredients are weighed out, they're added to the pasteuriser. Then the mix is moved through the homogeniser and the plate heat exchanger before it arrives in the cooling vat. We're getting close to seeing your ice cream ready for the big freeze. This is Ringo and Colin. They'll make sure that your ice cream gets packed properly. As well as being an ice cream expert, Colin is a big boxing fan. Too big a fan sometimes. Once the tubs are ready, it's time for the blast freeze. Meet Davy. Davy is a champion goat breeder and has won the Best in Show prize at the Balmoral Show for 2 years running, 2017 and 2018. It's nippy in here, minus 20 degrees, so not for the faint-hearted. After spending the night here, the ice cream moves from the blast freezer to our main store. And now your ice cream is ready for delivery to your local Morelli's store. This is Ricky. And just like Eddie, he's passionate about motorbikes. A fast mover, he's in charge of making sure your favourite flavour makes its way safely to you. It's the people that make your Morelli's. What's your favourite flavour?